Happy Tuesday, DCS. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Tuesday so far. Okay, so moving on to today's agenda, which I know you are all so excited about. Announcements that we have are, number one, I just want to say how proud I am of each and every one of you. I know this is definitely unusual times, but I think all of you are handling things well. So keep up the great work. Next one, be sure, and even though we are sort of on lockdown right now, be sure to keep up your physical activity. So I personally like to walk for 30 minutes a day because I have some nice trails near where I live. But you guys make sure that you try and find something too. That's why Coach P sent you guys out, which I posted on Google Classroom, a document that shows different activities that you can do this week to stay physically active. And last but not least, make sure that you remind your wonderful parents to keep up with the Charter Chatter because it has important news and updates and information about the school. All right, so moving on to shout outs. We have Naomi Shi. You are doing an excellent job at keeping up with the work and completing the latest Watery Planet activity. So go, Naomi! Quinn Gonzer, shout out, whoop, for doing a great job checking all the agendas every day. And last but not least, and I'm so thrilled to hear this one, Isabella Posadas for starting her very own Rube Goldberg machine. So check out the agenda because, I posted a picture that her mom sent me of Isabella and her little sister beginning their Rube Goldberg machine. Okay, moving on to the science material. So how exactly can you save a town from a hurricane? So Miss Avery Haynes, expert extraordinaire, says that you secure entry doors, you brace your garage doors, you install impact-resistant windows, and you also install wind-resistant roof structures. And last but not least, make sure that you protect important documents and valuables, and basically just prepare a home shelter for you guys to get into if a hurricane does happen. Now, luckily for us, there aren't really hurricanes in California, but if you do know someone that lives in an area where hurricanes are frequent, make sure you share with them this knowledge that you now have. I wonder. So Avery also wondered, she wants to know how long the biggest tornado lasted. And this was something that actually our very own meteorologist, Manny Aguilar, was able to answer. But just as a nice reminder, the tri-state tornado, and this event occurred the 18th of March in 1925, lasted for 3.5 hours. And the actual path length of this tornado was 219 miles. That's a whopping 352 kilometers. Crazy. Okay, and I went ahead and looked up some more interesting tornado facts for you because I kind of got sucked into this and it was really interesting to read once I found it online. So the deadliest tornado in world history was the Daulatpur Satorya tornado, which occurred in Bangladesh in April 26th of 1989. So not too long ago. You guys weren't alive then, but I was alive back then. Okay, so this killed approximately, sadly enough, 1,300 people. Okay. And last but not least, the most extensive tornado outbreak. And what this means is that there was not just one tornado, but multiple tornadoes going on simultaneously. So this was in 1974, and this was actually called the super outbreak. It lasted for 2 days, so April 3rd through 4th of, 1974. Within 18 hours, there were 148 tornadoes. And during the peak of this occurrence, there were actually 16 tornadoes on the ground at the same time. This record was actually later broken by the 2011 super outbreak, where there were 360 tornadoes during this given time. All right, so for today's science activity, we have a mini lesson that goes over why exactly are hurricanes so dangerous. So make sure you click on the link in the agenda to be able to to watch that video. And for the to-do, so one, I want you to tell me what you fear the most about hurricanes. And second of all, I have posted as a PDF, and you can find it on Google Classroom or the Science Class website, a little assessment to see how much you guys have learned. So it's basically the Watery Planet assessment again. It's not graded, so honestly, just have fun with it. And trust me, you will know more than you realize. All right, so that's it for today, Tuesday, the 25th of March. So you guys stay safe, stay healthy, and stay healthy. Sorry, word. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. All right, on three, loud and proud. Go Falcons!